In today's episode, we're going to share with you something that in our opinion is a must-have for bass heads, the Dual Dynamic Driver IEM 7Hz Legato. Legato continues the brand's tradition of excellence in craftsmanship. The cavity is made of very solid materials, with CNC machining and a fingerprint-like texture on the panel. The overall quality of the metal casing is impressive. Although it has some weight in your hands, it is very comfortable to wear. The Legato features a newly developed 6mm high-frequency dynamic driver and a 12mm dual dynamic driver configuration. Unlike competitors in the same price range who focus on the resolving ability, Legato's sound orientation is noticeably warm, natural, rich, and musical. The overall sound quality is impressive, especially in the low end, where the Legato demonstrates a volume and texture that exceeds expectations. While presenting the typical analog flavor of the tuning, the Legato also shows off the new technology in terms of high-frequency detail and overall sound performance, reflecting both elegant richness of dynamic driver and the superior quality of modern materials. Meanwhile, although the high frequencies are not the strongest point of Legato, they are just the right amount of brightness and detail, and there is no sibilance at all. The Legato's high frequencies have a good resolution and a moderate extension of the ultra-high frequencies, with a certain transparency that moderates and balances the Legato's original tuning towards the low and mid-range. The Legato has a very rich mid-range with some nice overtones, making it ideal for listening to lush, rhythmic recordings of vocalists. The thick lower mid-range also provides a full, vibrant instrumental presence with the cello and double bass, as well as providing the touch of warmth required by a variety of live recordings. Low frequencies are Legato's strength, and if you're a bass lover, this Legato will definitely hit your nerves. The Legato's low frequencies are thick, dense, and impressively layered, and the low frequencies are able to create rich overtones and ambience while diving quickly. Thanks to the dual driver configuration, the Legato's dynamics are excellent, with a good degree of loose and relaxed sound presentation. The soundstage of the Legato is distributed in an oval shape, with a relatively more open and spacious horizontal soundstage and smooth transitions. Overall, the Legato's revolving ability may not be one of the best in the competitive modern market, but the appeal and goal is clear. It boldly integrates flavorful traditional tuning with the more pioneering dynamic driver technology to bring a music that is rhythmic, naturally warm, rich, and loose, and a sound that the majority of music lovers will find pleasing to the ear. And for bass lovers, this is a product you should not miss. And please support and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Your support is our motivation to continue providing good reviews.